In the U.S., the president's son, Hunter Biden, has been found guilty of lying about his drug use to buy gun illegally. The jury in the trial in Delaware convicted him on all 3 counts. He could face a maximum of 25 years in jail. Sarah Smith has been following the trial and reports now from Wilmington in the state of Delaware, Handon, and with his stepmother, the First Lady, as well as his wife Hunter Biden, left court a convicted felon. This trial, peppered with lure details about his private life and previous addiction to crack cocaine, has clearly put great stress on the whole family. Joe Biden appeared after the verdict, ironically at a gun safety event, not mentioning his son. In a statement, he said he loved Hunter and is proud of the man he is today. He then set off to travel to Delaware to be with his son this evening during the trial. Prosecutors argued that Hunter Biden had committed a crime by lying on a form about his drug use when buying a revolver in October 2018. That gun, along with remnants of crack and drug paraphernalia, were discovered in his car by his then-partner Hi Biden, who was also his sister-in-law, the widow of his brother Beau, who died of cancer 3 years earlier. Prosecutors showed video of her trying to dispose of the weapon in a dumpster, and she told the court, "I realize it was a stupid idea now, but I was panicking." "Why did you panic?" asked the prosecutor. "Because I didn't want him to hurt himself, and I didn't want my kids to find it and hurt themselves." Hunter Biden had already described his drug addiction in a book. Excerpts of the audio version, read by the author himself, were played in court. Smoking crack cocaine every 3 days, soon became smoking every 2 days, then every other day, then every hour of every day. His defense argued that Hunter Biden wasn't using drugs around the time he bought the gun, but the jury rejected that. Donald Trump insists he was only convicted because President Biden's using the legal system to persecute his political opponent, claims that are undermined by the guilty verdict against the president's own son. "Thank you very much. The Justice Department say they care only about the law, not politics. No one in this country is above the law. Everyone must be accountable for their actions, even this defendant. However, Hunter Biden should be no more accountable than any other citizen convicted of this same conduct." Hunter Biden's willful refusal to comply with Hunter Biden has also been investigated by Republicans in Congress, who accuse him of peddling influence whilst his father was vice president. No charges have resulted from that, and attempts to impeach Joe Biden in connection with his son's business dealings have come to nothing. Now President Biden has now arrived in Delaware, and he was greeted by Hunter Biden, his wife, and his son, and they're all spending the evening in the family home here in Delaware, and it just shows you how close-knit this family is and how worried the president must be about his son's sentencing isn't going to happen in this case for a few months. Hunter Biden could be sent to jail for these crimes, but it is very unlikely, as it is his first offense. But he is still facing another criminal trial in September, this one for tax avoidance, for failing to pay more than $1 million in tax. And that's going to be happening in the run-up to the presidential election in November, which is just one more thing for his father to be worrying about.
Thank you for watching. Please you can like, and please subscribe to our channel.